number one business challenge that I've come across is getting people to use my sites in an effective manner. Same thing with any kind of social network, is people, they start using it and adding information in the beginning, but then it just kind of goes down, right? And it's hard to keep people refreshing their data, keeping it up to date, without there being some sort of incentive for them. So that's really the key, to like get them to actually engage in their my sites and social features. So you can take that data and make it work for your company, just like it works for Facebook or Twitter or whatever out there. Just if they can capitalize on that energy and keeping that stuff fresh, that's what's going to pay off.
So I have actually used every version of SharePoint. I started with SharePoint Team Services 2001 and have been moving up through it. The biggest thing that I like doing, and I've not done a great job of it yet, is all the BI stuff. And that's one of the places where there's a lot of places of SharePoint that I don't know anything about. And BI is one of them, but it's one of them that I like getting people excited about and then bringing our BI folks in, because I see that being the next big frontier. Is because people now, IT has been a big thing for 20 years now, and people have a lot of data and they collect a lot of things, and using the BI functions inside of SharePoint to start figuring out new ways to do business and better ways to do business is something that I really like. So getting people excited about PowerPoint and Power View and even the Office Web App stuff, getting Excel documents in, I think there's a big future there. And so I like getting people into that and exploring those possibilities. And it also that gets more people into SharePoint. I like getting people into SharePoint because it's kind of the thing, once they taste it, they don't want to leave. So if I can get the business folks inside of there and start exposing KPIs and that, I think that's great for SharePoint for the whole thing inside the company. So that's one of the things that I like solving.
The best business challenge I like to solve for SharePoint, customers who've just got a share drive full of documents, full of information, nobody can find anything, they've got duplicate documents everywhere, and you show them SharePoint, you show them how they can organise their world, and they just love it.
Information visualization, it's one of the topics I'm particularly keen on and one I'm presenting on tomorrow. But the actual conversion of a set of data into something that's useful for the business so they can actually get some benefit from it. There's some great tools in SharePoint to achieve that, and that's one of the things I really like to do.
We usually engage around the collaboration space, so we usually engage around helping people to work better together, and yeah, I love that space because there's no shortage of opportunities to help people just work a little bit better with each other, and SharePoint is a good platform for that already with the sort of things you can do in team sites. So with a couple of very small targeted enhancements, you can really make a huge difference to the way people do business together inside companies.